Hey guys. Let me put on the light. So guys, today I've decided to make my house tour. So it's a semi-furnished 3-bedroom flat, and the house is a condominium, so it's an apartment. So guys, I want to take you guys through my house. I've not done my house tour since I came, and this is past 2 weeks that we've been here. So I've decided today I'm going to show you guys my home. So let me flip the camera and let's start the house tour. So guys, this is the entrance door. From this entrance door, you get to see this long hallway. So this hallway, you have 4 doors in it. So when you come in, the first thing you see is the key box where we put our keys, the intercom, and this control switch for light. Then from there, you get to see this heater. From the heater, you get to see this shoe locker. So this is where we put our shoes for now. So up there are just basic things, the air freshener, little teddy bear that tells you welcome, and this. So that is it. And on the front door, you get to see this welcome phone, which says welcome, welcome, bienvenue, welcome, beneveto. So different kind of language. So when you enter, you get to see this coat hanger where we can hang our jackets. So from there, get to see this first room. This room is my son's room, and at times we put our hanger for clothes, and we store most of our basic needs, maybe water, milk, things we don't need, because there's no wardrobe for it. So that is the heater that heats this room. From my son's room, you can get to the balcony. So that is a balcony to see outside. My son's bed. So nothing much in this room. We go out, we enter the opposite door. The opposite door to this room is the sitting room. So when you come in, this is the door to the sitting room. When you come in, by my left, you get to see the mini dining. This is our dining table, 6 chairs. We're a family of 5, so this mini dining is okay. Then you get to see the telly console. That is our table. We shifted it because of the kids, the heater. This door leads to the balcony outside, and this is the couch in the parlor. So it's just a small sitting room, just small sitting room. Please ignore my children. Then from the sitting room, it leads you to the kitchen. So here, on this side, you see the washing machine. So this is it. This is the kitchen. You see the washing machine, our sink, wardrobe or locker space for putting things, our plate rack. So this is the plate rack. This rack is for plates. So this is it for plates. Another storage space. Then you get to see the gas cooker and the oven. This is a small gas cooker, but we are managing it for now. Then when you look towards this side, you see a microwave, little storage space, a fridge and freezer. So that is all for the kitchen. So nothing much. When we come out from the kitchen, we enter the sitting room. From the sitting room, we go back to the hallway again. This very long hallway, which leads outside. We go back to the hallway and we move towards this direction. On this door, you get to meet my daughter's rooms. My daughter's room is my daughter's room. Nothing much. It's semi-furnished, like I told you guys. You have their beds, their wardrobes, where they keep their toys. That's my daughter Amanda. Amanda, say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Okay. Heater that heats this room. From their room, you can get to the balcony as well. Then there's reading table and chair. So nothing much. This is their room, guys. So when you come out of the room, you get to see this door. So this door leads to the bathroom. It leads to the bathroom. So it's nothing much. This is the bathroom. This door leads to the bathroom. So in the bathroom we have a bathtub. We have washing basin for brushing our teeth. We have a toilet seat. We have this, is always common in Italian homes. It's for washing, you know, the under. So this is the door. You enter, that is the hallway, and that is the entrance door. So this is the toilet door. This is the place we hang our towel, where we hang our towel to. Then we have this little storage space. Hello guys, this is me. We have this little storage space, so get to see our basic needs, my cream, our roll-on, perf, powder, whatever. This is it. And this is what is in it. And it has a light, so you can switch off the light here. It comes like this, and you can also switch off the light. So up is our cleaning detergent for the bathroom. So that is all for the bathroom. Nothing much. So it has heater. The bathroom has heater. There's heater in the bathroom. So nothing much. So as we go out from the bathroom, please let me off the light. So go out from the bathroom, we'll see the last room in the house, which is the master bedroom. So this is my room. So when you enter my room, you get to see the dresser, the side stool, the bed, and this big wardrobe. So that is all. There's nothing much in this room. Get to see where we keep our shoes. This is it. Let me increase it. So this is the view from my room. This is the view from my room. Very beautiful. That is basic everything. That is my house. This is my house. Just a mini 3-bedroom flat, semi-furnished. Hope you like the house. Please leave a comment in the comment section, because I want to start furnishing this house. I just came in and will be resting, but I've ordered so many things and the orders will soon be coming in. So, and I want to furnish this house with you guys. So this is what my husband could furnish it up to this extent. So a man's touch is different from a woman's touch. So I want to give this house a woman's touch. I want to make it homely and warm. So guys, that is it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.